Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I'm just with my morning workout. And I'm also waiting on Miss Jam Tours to come to actually, teach her some reverse. Wow, that's Miss Jam Tours is right there. As you can see, she's coming, family. Yeah, family. So I'm gonna teach her some. Reversing lesson. Yeah, family. This is your exercise every morning. And Miss Jam Tours gonna teach her some reversing skills. So go straight round, and turn your back to that side. Go straight round. Yeah. Yeah, go straight, like you're coming out. Then you're gonna reverse back. You're gonna reverse and come through this here. So Miss Jam Tour is gonna reverse and come between these two, right here. Yeah, come back now. So you're going through this here, and this. So come back. Here, you're coming through here. Guy. Yeah, you're coming through here, you're reversing through here. Between the post and the tree here. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours, this is a small Mogimo tree. Only tree is the Mogimo tree. Miss Jam Tours is coming back, family. And one thing I like with this community, there's a lot of trees and the birds. Miss Jam Tours is coming back. Should be used in the side, sweetie, the side mirror. See the tree and the pole. Alright, go on now. Amesh! Check the sides. See what Miss Jam Tours are going with. God. Shit. Wind it up. Okay. Guys, see what they're doing. Okay, you're coming straight here. Yeah. Yeah, straight here. Alright, go on. Yeah. Okay. Alright, good. Then you're gonna go straight now. Go straight out. Come straight out here. Come straight. Then you're gonna come through this. Reversing, go straight and then come through. And reverse through this too, yeah. Yeah, fam, so Miss Jam Tours is doing good so far. Where she going through, family. Miss Jam Tours. Good job, Miss Jam Tours. Good job. Alright, back up and then take it around. Back up and then take it around. Like what you did last night in the night. Go around there, turn your back and come round. Amesh. Amesh. Yeah, family. So comment below and tell me how Miss Jam Tours is doing. Comment and let me know. So what you're gonna do now, family, next task is to come all the way around here. It's gonna come around the street and then come through here or through there. Family, she coming around the tree. She coming. Guys, sweetie. Woi, woi, woi. What happened?
No, because I was going to take video for the other log.
Okay. Good job. Good job, Miss Jump Tours. Make it out. Maybe you can turn it around and go through this one. Sweetie, turn it around and go here and come straight round. Reversing, sweetie. You get what I'm saying? You're gonna come through this one and go straight round. No, through here, this side. Yeah. Yeah, family, so she's gonna go around this side now. Eh? Yes, here, so. This big side here. So we're gonna go straight around, family, and come back around to this side. Pa! Papa! Pa! Dada! Dada! Yes. Yeah, family, so as you can see, this Jump Tours is doing very well. She's completing her reversing task, reversing lesson. Yeah, around the tree, yeah. Around this tree, family, around this mucus tree. She actually made it around, family. She made it around. Jam Tours, great job. Amesh.
I'm parking on that yellow line.
Yeah.
Boom.
How did you enjoy it?
It was nice.
Yeah. Feel like you can reverse anyway now?
I feel like I can reverse going tracks.
Okay.
Maybe another V8 at the same corner. I've stopped.
Eh?
It was on both lanes.
Okay.
And then I had to stop because myself I don't know how to swim cars. Yes. I love.
Actually, so you can go now right behind you.
But then,
Yeah.
second place.
Eh?
I want to show Mom this park.
Which part?
I didn't tell you something. She just mentioned something about this mugumo tree.
Yeah.
She's telling me if these logs are for mugumo tree, you remember they're not to be
Sit on.
not sit on. You can't fire.
You cannot burn it.
With them, yeah.
So you have to put it down there, make it go away.
So she's telling me if they have to be burned, they're normally given to the old women.
Ah.
Very old.
Wow.
At least those ones have. Like maybe if my grandmother will still be alive, she can be given.
Ah. That's the reason why they're piling there, family.
Yeah.
All of these mugumo trees you see here, the log, they cannot be burned. You don't have to pile them up like that. as you can see, that's the reason why they're like that. Alright, sweetie, go on and right there. Let's say you want to show your mom the community.
No. Well, we'll see me there. Then
Eh?
we'll see me there on that other side and then I go.
Which other side?
That back.
That one? You want to go there and park?
Oh. She told me I had brought her some time back.
Okay. Okay, so you know to use it now to line up and anything that you're going
You
through.
can see the way I was parking on the line.
This is the most part most people confused.
To park.
Yeah. So I need to get a wash now.
Yeah. Mama was telling me to do wipers. I don't know how to do wipers.
Oh, you know to do wipers.
And to do that water, you know what to do.
So pull that up.
Yes.
Yeah. Up to you. Pull it to you. One. Yeah. I never knew you could hold it like that.
How is it?
But don't do it sweetie because what happened? It's because it's dirty and these leaf in it. I mash up the wiper.
I guess it just needs to know.
Yeah. Or maybe collect the carpet one time.
So I determine how.
Yeah, it's not by itself.
Oh. Yeah. It's spoiling because of the thing.
Alright, sweetie, one. Yeah. I said 2 days. It's not 2 days ago we bring it. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts about Miss Jam Tour's reversing skills. Let me know if she's up to par or she still need more skills and stuff, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment. We are out. Hey, family. So I find a challenge for Miss Jam Tours. I tell her to park between these two cars. These two cars here. She should park nice. Okay. Alright, nice. Alright, reverse and park in this line. Come back. Come back and park in this line here. The Jam Tour is gonna come back. Park in this line, family. Let's see how she do. Let's see. Right here you're coming, right here. Not yet. Yeah, alright there, so still, just come back now. Very good. Good. Your mask tight. Alright, let's go. It's good. Alright, let's go. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours master that task. Let's go.